Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, we'll be learning about red color idioms. So let's begin. The first idiom is red tape, which means long and complicated official or bureaucratic procedures. In simple words, we can say when we are talking about red tape, we mean something that takes much longer time than it should have taken. And also because it involves lots of procedures, paperwork, rules and regulations. So it is usually applied to governments, corporations, and other large organizations. Things often described as red tape include filling out paperwork, obtaining licenses, and various low-level rules that make conducting one's affairs slower, more difficult, or both. In Hindi, it is also called लाल फीता शाही, जैसे कि सरकारी काम में देरी के लिए खासकर इस वाले वर्ड को यूज किया जाता है. So let us learn it with the help of a sentence. The new rules of applying for passport will eliminate the red tape. अभी नया कदम लिया है ना गवर्नमेंट ने कि पासपोर्ट इजीली हम लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हैं और उसके लिए हमें इतने सारे रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन से नहीं गुजरना पड़ेगा. सो द न्यू रूल्स ऑफ अप्लाइंग फॉर पासपोर्ट विल एलिमिनेट मीन्स खत्म कर देगा किसको? रेड टेप. मतलब रूल्स एंड प्रोसीजर्स और पेपर वर्क जो जितना होता था वो अभी फिनिश हो जाएगा. The next one is Red Letter Day, which means a special, happy and important day that one will always remember. To signify a special or memorable day, a day of importance, it can be a holiday, a birthday, an anniversary. So a day, something which is very important. It is also called Mahatvapurn Din. Now let's use it in a sentence. Unveiling of the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is a red letter day in the history of modern India. Now you know that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's statue, it was unveiled by our honorable Prime Minister. So unveiling means to show something new to the public for the first time. So जब सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल की स्टैचू अनवील हुई थी, so that was a red letter day in the history of modern India. Next idiom, to paint the town red. So it means to go little bit wild, to have a bit of party, मतलब बहुत खुश होके बाहर जाना और भरपूर मजे लेना, मजे करना. In a sentence we can use it as when the exams get over, we will go out and paint the town red, said Rohan to his friend. जब मेरे एग्जाम्स खत्म होंगे तो तब तो हम साथ चलेंगे और एंजॉय करेंगे बाहर जाके. पेंटिंग द टाउन रेड. नेक्स्ट, to catch someone red-handed, which means to catch someone or somebody while they are doing something wrong. So it is used in a negative way. रंगे हाथों पकड़ना, कुछ गलत काम करते हुए. So in a sentence, let's see how to use it. He was caught red-handed while trying to steal a car. रंगे हाथों पकड़ा गया वो जब वो कार की चोरी कर रहा था. Next is to see red. It means to get really annoyed or angry or frustrated. बहुत गुस्सा आ जाना, आग बबूला होना. In a sentence we can use it. Jack saw red when his toddler son spilled water on his important papers. अब उसके important papers के ऊपर पानी गिर गया तो वो बहुत ही गुस्सा हो गया. Next, let us see. The last one is red herring, which means something unimportant that distracts your attention from the important issue. Or it can be an argument that distracts you from the real issue. So it is a clue meant to mislead you. Okay. So this may be done either intentionally or unintentionally. A red herring is often used in movies, television and literature. So ये plot ज़्यादातर movies में, television में use होता है. It is also called भुलावा, misguide करना, mislead करना. Okay. So in a sentence, let's use it. The presence of a diary at the scene of crime was a red herring which confused the police. So in this way, you will use it. If you have liked the video, then share it with your friends. Consider subscribing to my channel. Comments में लिख के बता सकते हैं आप किस तरीके की वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं. Thanks everybody for watching.